guys, it looks fantastic.
Today's the day. I've been waiting weeks. We're gonna go get this carbon fiber front lip installed on my Civic Type R. Let's go on a journey.
Seems like forever, probably 5 or 6 weeks, and now we're going to the shop to pick it up. I think the whole process probably took 5 or 6 weeks because I ordered it from Australia. Well, that was fun. We've got about a 6-minute drive and then we will be there. Hope this front lip looks good on my car with the carbon fiber weave that I picked out. It was originally going to be vinyl, but I decided to go with a PPF version that looks a little glossier. I really think this new front lip is really going to transform the front end of my car, and I'm just super excited. I haven't done anything cosmetic to the car since the carbon fiber wing from Honda. I guess the question is, did they nail this carbon fiber lip? Is it going to look good on my car? Man, we're about to find out. All right, we are getting off the highway. We are almost there, 2 minutes away. It's been a long day at work waiting for all of this to go down. We are pulling up to Wrap Effects here in Lenexa, Kansas. So we're gonna park right in the front this time. Well, as you guys can see, I haven't washed the car in like 2 weeks because it's a daily driver and I work 60 hours a week, but I did wipe down the front end. So we're here at Wrap Effects to see what it looks like. It's a pretty cool place. They're bringing up the lip now. As you guys can see, this is it right here. It's going to be getting installed hopefully today. Pretty cool, man. They got all kinds of different colors for carbon wrapping your car and basically doing anything you'd like. Looks like they're not gonna be able to do it today, so I'm gonna go drive up to Honda right now and see if they can get it done. Honda of Olathe. All right, guys, here's the update. They are super busy. They don't have time to do it, so I'm gonna drive up to Honda of Olathe right now and see if they do it. They have a fantastic tech and team that works up there, and they've always been really good to me, so I'm just gonna go up there and take it up there. Stuff like this, I want it done right. I want it to look good, so I don't want to screw it up. I'd rather attempt a paint correction on my car than install this thing. We're on the way. Now luckily, or I'd say unluckily, I don't have the instructions to install it, but I do have them on my phone because it looks like they lost the sheet that I gave them, so. All right, off to the races. Let's have some fun. Some of you guys are probably wondering what I'm going to be doing next, and I did get some new LED lights for the car. I believe they're the reverse lights, the dome light in the back, and I think the rear blinker. So I'll probably be doing that this Saturday. I know there's probably a few other videos of people installing those, but we're going to put them in and see how they look, and if you guys like them, and I can hook you up with a commission code and get you 15% off, so get excited. But yeah, the Civic Type R is doing good. I'm at 13,361 miles, averaging 25 mpg this tank, and it looks like probably either this weekend, maybe next weekend, I'm gonna go ahead and throw my black 19s back on. I do love these Titan 7s and they're lighter weight, but the 19s look great. Time for another highway pull, even though there's quite a bit of traffic right now. All right, guys, we are about to pull up to Honda. I've actually purchased 2 cars from this dealership. I don't know if you guys can tell, since the last video, I did clean my Alcantara steering wheel the other day, so it feels a little fresher. Little windy out here in Kansas City today. I think that's why we got all the nice weather. It's all about the wind. Look at that shiny carbon fiber wing. Can you guys see it? It's dirty, but it's shining. I like Honda of Olathe. They've always been really good to me. One time they scratched my wheels and they were upfront and honest and replaced the whole wheel, so I like going here for anything I need. Heck, last time I came just to get help with a small, quick little install, and they did it for free, so that was super cool. pretty cool little bay here too. Let's go talk to him. All right, guys, it looks like Honda's gonna install it today. I won't be able to film the install, so I apologize about that, but just another awesome reason to get a hatchback. I mean, this thing's huge. Look how much room there is. I've been told you can fit a full-size bed back here, so. So again, here's what it looks like without the front lip. You guys know what it looks like. It's stock, so. They do offer side skirts in the rear, which I might do down the road. Looks like I'm pretty excited. I think it looks very awesome. It looks very factory looking. I don't know how well you guys can see this angle, but it looks really, really good. So, what do you guys think? I like it. I think it looks fantastic. Now I just need to go home and wash the car. All right, we're gonna drive home and get this thing washed. I think it turned out really well. I'm very happy. Well, I didn't get the recall done on the steering because I guess they have to take the wheels off, and I keep my wheel lock at home, so we'll have to come back for another time for that. I guess the question is, what do I do to the car next? And I think I'm gonna hold off in a little while before I do something else, but I do have some new lights, LEDs, that I'll probably be installing this weekend for sure. Other than that, I'm not sure. All right, guys, we're gonna try to get a little better angle here. The sun's already kind of low. Ooh, yeah, that looks good. So we're gonna bust out the camera here and see if we can get some high resolution shots with the Canon camera. All right, guys, I'm gonna try to pull the car out so you guys can see a little bit better angle of it. This is again from Project Aero. This is a PPF style carbon fiber wrap. Definitely sticks out a lot more than the factory. Car is looking much cleaner, much fresher. So again, this Project Aero, you can get the rear and they have it for the sides, which even now it matches really, really well, except for it hides the water drops really, really well. So I'm gonna have to wipe that off again. So what are you guys' thoughts on this Project Aero front lip splitter? Do you guys like it? Do you think it was a good investment? Should I have left it plain? Do you like the carbon fiber? I'd like to hear your thoughts. We'll be doing some LED lighting this weekend, and then after that, whew, I don't know what I'm gonna be doing next to the car, guys. Probably wait a few weeks, pay this off on my credit card, and then go for the next thing. Any suggestions? I think it could be cool to do this in carbon fiber eventually too, maybe with the red weave, but I might be done with the cosmetics for now. Maybe I'll do a downpipe and then Honda next. Yeah, I think I made a really good choice. The front lip, I think it was like 350 bucks. The shipping was a little expensive because it was all the way from Australia, but I think it was a great value. I do appreciate you guys watching. If you're still watching, I could always use more subs. Give me a like and give me a comment on anything you'd like me to hear.